Hey everyone, this is my Viking Box Fan from the 1950s or maybe the 60s. It features electric reverse and thermostat. What we're going to do now is take a look around this fan and then we'll give you a running demonstration of it. So here we go with some close-up shots. This is the controls. You can see the electrical reverse controls and the thermostat. Here's the top of the fan with the carry handle. Here's the side view and the back. So what we're going to do now is give you a demonstration of this fan. So we'll start it off on high intake. Now this fan does have some issues. The motor's pretty gummed up, and as it picks up speed here, you're going to see another one of the major issues it's got. And those blades are hitting the cage. You can see some of the damage done to them here, where they've scraped against it. They look like they're a little bit tweaked too, so I've got to check this fan out. Anyway, we'll bring it back down to low speed now. That kind of settles it down just a bit. Now it would be nice if it ran this quiet, but I think it'll run a bit faster after the motor is cleaned. We're going to turn the fan off now and get it ready to do the electric reverse with. So yeah, it stops a little short. And what we'll do now is turn the fan on high exhaust. Seems more like it's just rattling now than the blade's doing anything. Well, maybe they are striking the cage a little. Either way, we'll switch it down to low speed, which settles it again. And then we'll shut it off. Despite the motor being gummed up, it does coast down pretty good. It's probably because the blade set's pretty heavy. Anyway, wouldn't be a box fan without startup sounds now, would it? So we're going to get you the startup on high. And then we'll give it a moment to coast down here and get you a startup on low speed. So here goes that. And yeah, it's got a pretty nice little harmonic to it. We'll see if that remains when it gets fixed. What we'll do now is demonstrate the thermostat function for you, because that does actually work. So we'll just put the fan on low speed here on exhaust again. Seems to run best in that way. And we'll dial the thermostat back until it shuts off. It'll come to a stop here. And then we'll bring the thermostat back into, bring the fan on again. And yeah, you can see it works pretty good. This thing was made to operate in a window. You can kind of tell that. So at any rate, we're going to go ahead and get this video closed out now. Hopefully enjoyed seeing this old Viking box fan get put through its paces. Uh, yeah, this one's going to be a bit of a project, but at some point I'll get it done. With that, I'd like to thank you for watching and encourage you to hit that subscribe button because we will have more to come. And with that, we will see you later.